as more and more bikes and components are made from carbon fiber. A good torque wrench is indispensable for any shop or home mechanic. Tighten bolts at the recommended torque value ensures both the integrity of bike components and the safety of the rider. In order to cater to both shop and home mechanics, Giant is proud to introduce its all-new torque wrench series and further support your gear business. The all-new professional torque wrench offers an extensive 2 to 16 Nm range to suit most home mechanics' needs. Torque values can be adjusted by 0.1 Nm increments and have an accuracy of plus or minus 4%. The whole set comes with various bit options, including hex bits, Torx bits, Phillips bits, and flathead bits. Moreover, a 100 mm socket extension makes it easier to reach those hard-to-get-to bolts. The complete torque wrench set comes in a protective soft shell case. When out for a ride, many riders will have had to make adjustments on the fly, especially when riding a new bike or new components. That's when the new mini torque driver will come in handy. It comes with a foldable handle and a set of commonly used bits for riders to adjust seat posts and stems within the 4 to 6 Nm range. This compact design will easily fit into a rider's jersey pocket or saddlebag. Furthermore, the detachable elastic strap enables riders to wrap the bits around the mini torque driver to make the whole set even more compact. That's all for this GRA video about the all-new Giant Torque Wrench series, which includes the professional torque wrench for the keen home bike mechanic, and the mini torque driver as the perfect riding companion. When selling torque wrenches to your customers, always remind them of the universal do's and don'ts when using a torque wrench. For example, torque wrenches are a precision instrument and should be handled with care. They should also never be used to loosen bolts. For more torque wrench tool tips, see the video on GRA. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local sales rep or leave a comment below this video. Happy wrenching!